Here we are, ma'am. That will be $25.
$25? But the meter says 18.
Yes, ma'am. The meter shows the base fare. There is an extra charge for traffic and waiting time.
Oh, I didn't know that. You didn't mention it at the beginning.
I'm sorry. I should have explained. Today, the traffic was very heavy, and we waited at least 20 minutes.
That's true. The road was very crowded.
Also, there is a small night fee after 10 p.m.
I see. So the $18 is the normal fare and the rest is extra fees.
Exactly. The total becomes $25.
Thank you for explaining. I was confused at first.
No problem. I understand your concern.
Now it makes sense. Here is $25.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Next time, please explain the extra charges at the start.
You're absolutely right. I will do that.
Thank you for the ride.
Thank you. Have a great evening.
You too. Goodbye. Good morning. Welcome to Sunny Stay Hotel. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I have a booking for today under the name John Smith.
Let me check. I'm sorry, Mr. Smith, but I can't seem to find your booking in our system.
What? That's strange. I booked it online last week. I even got a confirmation email.
I understand. Can I please see the confirmation email?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Ah, I see the problem. The booking is for next week, not this week.
Oh no. I must have made a mistake with the date. What can I do now?
Don't worry, we have a few rooms available today. I can make a new booking for you.
That would be great. How much is it per night?
For today, it's $120 per night for a standard room.
Okay, I'll take it. Can also get a room with a view if possible?
Let me check. Yes, we have a room with a garden view. It's just $20 extra per night.
Perfect. I'll take that one.
Excellent. Can I have your ID and a credit card, please?
Here you go.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Your room is ready. Here's your key. Room 305. Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. in the lobby.
Thank you so much. I'm glad it worked out.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay and let us know if you need anything.
I will. Thanks again.
Excuse me, waiter?
Yes, ma'am. How is everything?
Actually, the food is cold. I just got it, but it's not warm.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Which dish is cold?
The pasta. I was really hungry, but I can't eat it like this.
I understand. I can heat it up for you, or I can make a new one right away.
Can you make a new one? I think it will be better.
Absolutely. I'll bring a fresh plate in a few minutes. And to apologize for the mistake, I'll get you a drink on the house.
Wow, thank you. That's very kind.
Waiter goes to the kitchen. A few minutes later, he returns with a hot plate and a drink. Here you go, sir. A fresh hot pasta and a cold soda on the house.
This looks perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope it tastes great now.
It does, and the drink is a nice bonus. I appreciate it.
My pleasure. If there's anything else you need, just let me know.
Sure. Thanks again.
Good morning. Welcome to Bean and Brew Cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi, good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Great. Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Got it. Do you take milk or sugar?
Just a little milk, no sugar.
Perfect. Any flavors like vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut?
Vanilla sounds good.
Excellent. Would you like a snack with your coffee? We have New York-style muffins, croissants, and cookies.
I'll take a chocolate muffin, please.
Perfect. That'll be $7.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready at the counter in just a few minutes.
Thanks.
A few minutes later. Here's your medium hot vanilla coffee with a little milk and a chocolate muffin. Enjoy.
Thank you. It smells amazing.
You're welcome. Don't forget to enjoy your walk in Central Park later.
Absolutely. Have a great day.
You too.
Hey, Jack, have you thought about where we should go for our summer vacation?
Hi, Emma. Yeah, I was thinking maybe a beach destination, something relaxing.
That sounds great. How about Hawaii? I've always wanted to go there.
Hawaii is amazing, but it might be expensive. What about Thailand? Beautiful beaches and really affordable.
Thailand sounds perfect. Okay, first step, let's decide the dates. When are you free?
I'm free from July 10th to July 25th. What about you?
I can take those dates off too. Great! So, next, flights. Do you want me to check online for deals?
Sure, and don't forget to check baggage fees and layovers. I hate long layovers.
Got it. Okay, I found a few options. There's a direct flight for $800 and another one with one layover for $600.
Let's go with the cheaper one. One layover is okay.
Perfect. Now, what about accommodation? Hotel or Airbnb?
I prefer Airbnb. More private and usually cheaper. Plus, we can cook some meals ourselves.
Good point. I'll look for one near the beach so we can walk there easily.
Sounds amazing. Oh, and we should also plan some activities. Snorkeling, hiking, maybe a boat tour.
Absolutely. And don't forget shopping and trying local food. I love street food.
Me too. Okay, so flights, Airbnb, and activities. Anything else?
Travel insurance. Always important.
Right, safety first. Okay, we're really organized.
Yeah, I can't wait. This is going to be the best vacation ever.
Me too. Let's book everything this weekend.
Excuse me, can you help me? I want to return this shirt.
Of course. May I ask why you're returning it?
Yes, it's too small. I tried it on at home and it doesn't fit.
No problem. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Did you wear it outside or wash it?
No, I just tried it on.
Perfect. We can give you a full refund or exchange it for another size. Which would you like?
I'd like to exchange it for a larger size, please.
Sure. Let me check if we have it in stock.
Thank you.
We have the same shirt in a medium. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
Great. I'll just update the receipt. Here's your new shirt and the receipt.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I have a headache. Can you recommend something?
Sure. Do you prefer pills or something you can drink?
Pills, please.
Okay, I have ibuprofen and paracetamol.
What's the difference?
Ibuprofen helps with pain and inflammation. Paracetamol only helps with pain and fever.
I see. I just have a headache, no fever.
Then paracetamol is fine. How many would you like?
Just a pack, please.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Great. That will be $5. How would you like to pay?
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please insert your card.
Done. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take one pill every 6 hours if needed.
Okay, thank you very much.
Have a nice day and get well soon.
Thanks, you too. Here you go. Thank you.
Excuse me, my luggage didn't arrive. I think it's lost.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I have your boarding pass and luggage tag, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Let me check. It seems your bag didn't make it onto the plane.
Oh no, what should I do now?
Don't worry. We will report it as lost luggage. Can you describe your bag?
Yes, it's a black suitcase with a red strap, and it has my name tag.
Perfect. I'll fill out a lost luggage form. Can I have your phone number and email?
Sure, my phone is 01-2345-6789, and my email is tom@example.com.
Thank you. We will contact you as soon as we find your bag. Usually it takes 24 to 48 hours.
Will you deliver it to my hotel if it's found?
Yes, we can deliver it to your hotel or home. Which do you prefer?
Please send it to my hotel.
No problem. Here's a reference number for your lost luggage report. Please keep it safe.
Thank you so much. I hope it turns up soon.
Don't worry. Lost luggage happens sometimes, but we usually find it.
I understand. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day and enjoy your trip. Hello, good morning. I'd like to buy a ticket, please.
Good morning. Sure. Where are you traveling to today?
I want to go to London.
All right. One way or round trip?
One way, please.
Okay. And what time would you like to leave?
Around 10 a.m. if possible.
Let me check. Yes, there's a train at 10:15 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Great. Do you want a standard seat or first class seat?
Standard seat is fine.
All right. That will be £25.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Here you go.
Thank you. Processing payment. Here's your ticket. Platform 3. The train leaves at 10:15 a.m.
Thank you. Can you tell me where platform 3 is?
Sure. Go straight down this hallway, then turn left. You'll see signs for platform 3.
Perfect. How early should I be at the platform?
Try to be there at least 10 minutes before departure.
Got it. And is there a restroom on the platform?
Yes, there's one near the stairs to platform 3.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip to London.
Thanks. I'm really excited.
Enjoy your journey.
How are you feeling, Emma? Are you okay?
A little tired, but I feel amazing. And look at her. She's so tiny and healthy.
She looks perfect. Are you sure she's all right?
That's a relief. I was so nervous.
Me too. I kept thinking about everything that could go wrong.
But she's here, and she's beautiful.
So, have we decided on her name yet?
I was thinking maybe Lily? What do you think?
Lily. I love it. It suits her. Just gentle and sweet, just like her.
Yes, Lily it is. Welcome to the world, Lily. Mommy and Daddy love you so much.
Lily, our little princess. You're finally here. Congratulations for us, Emma.
Oh, dear, I can't stop looking at her.
Me neither. We did it together.
Yes, together. Thank God for this blessing.